If you want to use NotebookLM for studying, and this is how to do it. First, you just go ahead and go to the website directly, or you can install the app itself. So NotebookLM is very easy to use. You just go ahead and create a notebook, put a title right here, and then add some sources. So basically you can also search for sources or you can drop your files directly. So for recommendations, just simply look for sources for like articles and stuff about something specific about what you're studying for. Let's say for example, about fermentation. Then simply just add that prompt right there and then the website will now look for those articles and documentations and sources that you'll be able to use for studying. Just simply wait for it to load. So as you can see, it looked for those details on the internet as well. And you can now import them to your AI notebook, which is this one, the Notebook LM. As you can see, it will select all the best sources and it will apply to your notebook. Then you can just also redirectly adjust and choose and study directly on your notebook. So once it finishes loading, you'll now be able to study directly. So as you can see, since I've asked for fermentation, it now made a simple summarization in a book about the topic as well. So moving on, you'll be able to read the title of the notebook, add some summaries, and then you can ask questions along the way. You can even add these specific details right here, like adding a mind map, video overview, flashcards, quizzes, infographics, and slide decks, which is very helpful if you want to study further. So basically, just click question right here, and it will help you study and find keywords and answer the questions for you in a more explained and summarized way. And that's how you can basically use the Notebook LM for studying in 2026. If you like this video, check out these other video recommendations below. Please leave your comments, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.